This 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 10, CO detector, stove top burner, awning, external shower, smoke detector, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slide-out, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Imagine 2910BH is 7,087 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.